Alright folks, we're here at the Wild Water Dome. We're about to go in and see what it's like. It's actually pretty dead here, so we look to get on quite a few rides. We'll see how it is inside.
Look, I want to look at that one.
Oh, I checked out the chicken place.
Yeah.
It's inside the arcade. It's like $15, $16 for a chicken sandwich.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You know where we got the
Fries are like $15.
Swimming chicken. Okay, we'll pass on that one. Sounds like it's expensive chicken. All right, we are here. We didn't rope drop. We got here about 10:30. That's 30 minutes after opening, but we are going to try to get on the family raft ride. The height requirement is 42 inches. As you know, Grayson's a little bit shy of that, but we're going to see if they just let him on. We're going to try, but if not, we're going to go see if the rooftop pool is open next. Wish us luck. Family raft ride is Runaway Canyon. It is to the left as you're walking up the steps. Grayson's really excited. I hope they let us on. They're going to let him on. He was tall enough. Funny how they're different everywhere you go. You're tall enough. Yay! We did Runaway Canyon. Now we're going up to check out the rooftop pool. They say it's open, and I think it's going to be a little chilly because it's 10:30 in the morning, but we didn't get in it last time when we were here because we had Ryan with us, and he's real funny about us filming. He doesn't like to be on camera, so we're going to check it out today. Ooh, it is frosty, waiting for the elevators.
It is cold. Yeah, no need for air conditioning.
And as I suspected, we are the only people up here because it is freezing. But we don't care. That's the thing, if you want low crowds, you usually got to deal with something that is undesirable, like cold weather. There it is. Ooh, let's see how it feels. Oh, it's nice and heated actually. It's not bad. Oh, look at that view. Here comes Grandpa and Grayson. They're gonna hop in. Oh, that's really neat. I really love that we have it all to ourselves. When we first came in on Saturday, this thing was like filled to the brim with people. So we got it all to ourselves.
Just amazing. Check this out.
Come here, swim. Look over there. What do you think, buddy? We got the rooftop pool all to ourselves.
That is so amazing.
Look, water slide, look.
I know, we just did that. Did you know that?
Yeah.
We just did that water slide. Yeah. Outside in the Lake Wilderness section of the water park, but they said they're probably going to open that around 12. I suspect because it's not very crowded. Maybe they're thinking more people will be here to justify opening that. So we're going to hang out in the Kaleidoscope Cavern River. Runaway Canyon. We're gonna try. basically, Lenny and Grayson are going to ride it if they let him on. If they don't let him on, then I will walk Grayson back down the steps, and Lenny can ride by himself, because they do allow single riders if you're over a certain weight. We'll see if they let him on. So that is your rider height requirement.
Yeah! Crazy! Whoa! Whoa! Is that amazing or what?
Smoking in the hot tub. Okay, while Grayson and Grandpa hang out in the hot tub, I am going to go do a tube slide. The Trail Twister tube slide. You do single or double. The height requirement is 42 inches with an adult, 48 inches if you're by yourself. And I just didn't feel like dragging Grayson up all these steps just to possibly be told no. Plus he gets really disappointed, so I'm just gonna do it by myself. Woo! Well, that's fast. Yeah. Woohoo! Making our way into the wave pool. Getting out of the hot tub and getting into the wave pool, it is rough. That water is nice and warm, and this water is disgusting. You gotta be tough to do this. Me and Grandpa are conditioned now. Right, Grandpa? He's like, yep. Oh, they're surfing. Shake shot. There's your options for shake. They look yummy. Grayson demanded to be stuck to this little baby swing. But like I said, there's not much to do at his height. We're making do, right, buddy? Oh, Grandpa. Poor Grandpa. The things he does for us. Yeah, there we go. You got it. There you go. Yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
Do it, Grandpa. Yeah. He's got it. Whoa. Yeah. Woo! They're cheering for him. He's awesome. Yes, yes.
So we got a little tired of the water park. We decided to get some Popeye's chicken, and we're heading up to the room to rest. Once we get our bellies full, we're going to head out to the track and to the island.
Remain seated until advised to leave your car. Slow down. Slow down. We enter the pit slowly and come to a
How's your ride on the Wild Woody, sir?
Well, I got to tell you, the NSG Taco Bell go-kart, it was a little loose in the back end. We needed new tires. We needed to stop. Gracie didn't want to pit. We decided to go for it. And you know what? We came out in the end, and we pulled out a win today.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Are you guys gonna shoot me? No, you're not. No, you're not. That was our day at Wild Water Dome, the track, and the island. Thanks for coming along with us. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave comments down below. See you on our next adventure. Thanks for watching.